There's something special about the moment a motorhome door slides open and warm light spills out. That tiny second where your mind whispers, yeah, I could really live here. And the new 2026 Carado i447 Clever Edition is designed exactly for that moment. It's a small full-time RV that doesn't act small at all, offering a surprisingly big shower, a brand new 9-speed automatic transmission, and a layout that feels more like a traveling apartment than a compact motorhome. Welcome back to Mansion on Wheels, the channel that helps you imagine life on the road with comfort, class, and a whole lot of wanderlust. If you're into luxury RVs, modern motorhomes, and cinematic travel storytelling, make sure you subscribe. Today, we're diving into the brand new 2026 Carado i447, a motorhome designed for people who want the freedom of tiny living, but the comfort of full-time luxury. So settle in and let's step into this experience together. From the outside, the 2026 Carado i447 carries a clean, modern silhouette with that distinct European luxury vibe. The sidewalls are smooth, the edges sculpted, and the LED daytime running lights give it an automotive upscale presence. Built on the Fiat Ducato 2.2-liter multi-jet diesel engine, this model brings 180 horsepower and 450 Newton-meters of torque, giving it confident, responsive performance whether you're cruising open highways or navigating through tight national park roads. And the biggest upgrade this year is definitely the new 9-speed automatic transmission. It's smoother, quieter, more fuel-friendly, and genuinely transforms the driving experience. Along the sides, the exterior keeps everything sleek and functional. Flush-mounted windows, integrated awning lighting, clean storage compartments, and the subtle premium touches that come with the Clever Edition trim. It has that balanced, refined look, the kind that makes you smile as you walk up to it and think, yeah, that's my home on wheels. Stepping inside, the i447 immediately brings a sense of openness. Carado has mastered the art of compact luxury. Everything feels intentional, optimized, and quietly elegant. Warm LEDs trace the ceiling edges, matte finishes blend smoothly with light-toned cabinetry, and the entire interior feels more like a Scandinavian apartment than a typical motorhome. The best part? It doesn't feel small, even though it technically is. The lounge area really sets the tone. A wide dinette lines the driver's side, paired with swivel captain chairs that make the space feel social and comfortable. The cushions feel supportive, the fabrics look upscale, and the lighting creates that calm evening atmosphere, the kind you want after a long day on the road. Carado also placed handy USB-C and 110-volt outlets, exactly where full-time travelers need them, both near the seats and near the bed. If you work remotely, edit travel videos, or just like keeping your gadgets charged, the setup is perfect. And thanks to improved insulation for 2026, the cabin stays warmer in the winter, cooler in the summer, and quieter overall. The kitchen may be compact, but it punches above its weight. You get a dual-burner stove, a deep stainless steel sink, and a surprising amount of usable countertop space. Soft close drawers, tall pantry pullouts, and lead-lit overhead storage give it a refined feel without trying too hard. The updated refrigerator is slimmer, quieter, and more energy efficient, a small but important upgrade for full-time travelers. This kitchen isn't built for elaborate restaurant-style meals. It's built for comfort cooking, and that's exactly why it works. Now let's talk about the feature everyone wants to see, the bathroom. Yes, this small full-time RV actually has a big shower. And no, big is not an exaggeration. The i447's bathroom is one of the most impressive in its class, featuring a full-height shower cabin with real standing room, modern fixtures, a frosted skylight, and a wide shower base that genuinely feels residential. You can step in, lift your arms, turn comfortably, and you never feel boxed in. The toilet and vanity are positioned separately, which keeps the space from feeling cramped. For many travelers, this bathroom alone becomes the deal-sealing moment. It's the difference between a weekend RV and a home you can live in full-time. Toward the back, the 2026 i447 features twin beds that can convert into a large king-like sleeping area. The mattresses are supportive, the overhead cabinets are deep, and the soft backlighting creates that warm, hotel-like bedtime glow. Each side has a knit-stand-style surface with USB ports and reading lights, giving you the convenience you need for nighttime routines. This is the quietest, coziest section of the RV, the place where you unwind, settle down, and let the day fade out. Storage throughout the i447 is another pleasant surprise. There's a full rear garage large enough for bikes, tools, folding chairs, or even e-scooters. Overhead cabinets run throughout the interior. Underbed space is well organized, and there are plenty of small pockets for everyday essentials. Everything feels clean, practical, and made for real living, not just short weekend trips. Now back to where the driving magic happens. The updated 9-speed automatic transmission is a game changer. The shifts are smoother, acceleration feels more linear, highway cruising is quieter, and the engine doesn't hunt for gears on hills the way older transmissions sometimes do. Combined with the multi-jet diesel's torque, the i447 pulls confidently, even when fully loaded. For a compact RV, it drives much more like a modern vehicle than a bulky motorhome, and that alone will win over a lot of first-time buyers. So what makes the 2026 Carado i447 unique? First, it's genuinely small and easy to maneuver. Second, it feels surprisingly large inside thanks to smart lighting and layout choices. And third, and this is the big selling point, it has a true residential style shower in a compact footprint. With the redesigned interior, smoother driving experience, and premium Clever Edition touches, it stands out as one of the most complete compact RV packages available right now. As for pricing, the exact numbers vary by region, but you can expect a base price around $102,000 to $109,000. Add the Clever Edition package and you're looking at roughly $6,000 to $8,000 more. Fully equipped, the i447 generally tops out near $118,000, which is competitive considering the build quality, driving upgrades, and overall European craftsmanship. Before we wrap up, I'd love to hear your thoughts. Could you see yourself living full-time in a small RV like this? Or do you prefer something bigger? Drop your answers in the comments. It helps us understand the kind of content and tours you want next. And if you're enjoying these cinematic walkthroughs, be sure to subscribe. This is Mansion on Wheels, your home for luxury RV stories and real-world travel inspiration. At the end of the day, the new 2026 Carado i447 proves that you don't need a giant motorhome to feel at home. Sometimes the perfect adventure starts in a compact space filled with warm lights, smart storage, and the simple comfort of knowing your entire world fits behind one door. With its big shower, refined interior, and smooth 9-speed auto, this model feels like a small RV built for big journeys. If you dream about sunrise campgrounds, oceanside nights, and miles of open road, this motorhome is ready to take you there. Thanks for watching, and as always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Your next adventure begins right here on Mansion on Wheels.